Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting fast. Tap the weather app and grant location access so forecasts match where you are. Once done, make sure background app refresh is on to keep data current without reopening the app. If you prefer manual control, disable it and pull down to refresh later. This first action gets you live temperature, precipitation chances, and hourly forecasts right away, so you can decide whether to take an umbrella, layer up, or plan outdoor time. Once your app opens, add cities by tapping the list icon, then the plus sign. This keeps multiple locations handy. Tap any city to see hourly details, the 10-day outlook, and the radar map. These views explain when rain or temperature shifts will occur. Make sure to toggle precipitation and satellite layers to visualize storms. If you want prioritized cities, press and drag them to reorder. That way your most important locations appear first and save you time. Finish by enabling severe weather alerts in settings so critical warnings reach you immediately. This prevents surprises. Add the weather widget to your home or lock screen for a quick glance at current conditions without opening the app. If data looks wrong, make sure location is set to, while using or always, update iOS to the latest version, and force close, then reopen the app. Restarting your phone can also resolve persistent issues. These steps keep forecasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.